there, welcome to Design Bytes. Ever felt overwhelmed by a web page packed with information? That's where cards come in handy. Take Facebook for example. Each post is like a card presenting information, whether it is a status update, photo or video in a visually appealing and organized way. And speaking of videos, YouTube utilizes cards to suggest related videos, channels or links to external content. It keeps your viewing experience seamless and engaging. When it comes to shopping apps like Amazon, cards showcase products with images, prices and reviews all neatly arranged for effortless browsing. So whether you are scrolling through your social feed, watching videos, shopping online or exploring other content, cards enhance your digital experience. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell icon for more UX design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy card surfing!